Sir, I think there's a lag in the voice.
ஆமாப்பா.
Bacterial infections may be due to
ம்.
bronchiectasis
ம்.
or any lung abscess,
ம்.
uh, TB maybe,
டிபி. ஓகே.
empyema with fistula to the bronchus.
ஓகே. What is the consistency of sputum in COPD? Asthma.
Mucoid inconsistency.
Okay. Where will you get pink frothy sputum?
In case of pulmonary edema.
Acute pulmonary edema.
Pulmonary.
Okay. Then what is massive hemoptysis?
Massive hemoptysis is when the quantity of hemoptysis blood is more than 500 ml per day. Sir.
More than 500 ml per day. Illappa, more than 200 ml per 24 hours is massive.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Fine. Okay, pa. Right.
Yes. Shall I
What
continue,
is
sir?
your
Yes.
continue? What is your differential diagnosis in this patient? Patient with symptoms for 4 months,
Yes.
cough with expectoration,
Yes.
hemoptysis for the past 10 days,
Yes, sir.
of mild hemoptysis,
Yes.
with fever on and off. What is your first diagnosis?
Uh, Possible tuberculosis, sir. Um, could be also could be a lung abscess.
Possibility of tuberculosis.
Could be lung abscess also.
Tuberculosis, okay, pa. Your
Yes.
first diagnosis is tuberculosis.
Yes, sir.
Tuberculosis, you define the lesion. What are the various lesions possible in tuberculosis?
Cavitations, fibrosis.
Tuberculosis can present as pulmonary, extrapulmonary.
Yes, sir.
Pulmonary can present as pneumonia,
Okay.
consolidation,
Yes, sir.
then cavity.
Yes.
Then chronic tuberculosis can lead to fibrosis.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the most common site in tuberculosis? Whether the upper lobes are involved or lower lobes are more common.
The upper lobes are more involved, sir.
Very good. In adults, upper lobe is more common,
Yes.
whereas in children's, lower lobe is more common.
Okay.
Then upper lobe, why upper lobe is involved?
Uh, Perfusion is ventilation is more in the upper lobe, sir, with lower perfusion. So it predisposes for the tubercle bacilli to thrive there.
Good. In this patient, what is the possibility? Whether upper lobe consolidation or cavity or fibrosis? From this case scenario, what is the most probable lesion?
He has cough with the expectoration also, sir, which is mucopurulent. So it could be a
Okay.
cavity.
Cavity. Okay, fine. Even consolidation, you can get cough with mucopurulent sputum.
Yes, sir.
Hemoptysis is more favorable for cavity.
Okay, sir.
So the most probable lesion is cavity. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Whether tuberculosis can have a single cavity or multiple cavity?
Single cavity, sir.
Single cavity. Okay, fine. What are the causes of multiple cavity involving bilateral lung?
Bronchiectasis.
Bronchiectasis illappa. Any fungal infection, vasculitis.
Okay, sir.
Fungal pulmonary mucormycosis. presents with multiple cavity lesion.
Okay, sir.
In vasculitis, vaginous granulomatous most commonly causes multiple cavities.
Okay, sir.
Even mm, carcinoma of lung can cause cavity lesions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, your first diagnosis is pulmonary tuberculosis,
Yes, sir.
the two cavity lesion.
Yes, sir.
Second,
Um, maybe a lung abscess.
lung abscess. Lung abscess, like you can get fever,
Yes.
cough with sputum, that infective sputum. Hemoptysis is very rare part.
Okay, sir.
Mm. Then,
Bronchogenic carcinoma.
bronchogenic carcinoma. Right.
Yes.
Usually, bronchogenic carcinoma will present with a chronic dry cough,
Yes.
with a history of chronic dry cough for past 3 to 6 months,
Yes.
and a sudden onset of hemoptysis.
Okay.
They can also have fever. Okay, very good. What is the age of our patient?
52 years old, sir. 52.
52 years.
Yes.
Oh, he is a chronic smoker or non-smoker?
He's a chronic smoker, sir. He has been
Okay.
smoking for the past 10 years.
10 years. Okay.
Yes.
You have to calculate smoking index or number of pack years.
Yes, sir. Pack years is 5 years, and smoking index will be 100.
Then what is the uh, smoking index is also low bar.
Yes, sir.
Pack years is 5 only.
Yes, sir.
To get a bronchogenic carcinoma, the number of pack years should be at least 20 with a
Yes.
smoking index of more than 400.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Sorry, next DD. One is the tuberculosis, then your bronchogenic carcinoma. What are the other possibilities?
Um, fungal
Others can
infection.
answer. Fungal, there must be any immunocompromised state. Either patient must be diabetic or other risk factors such as HIV,
Patient has a family history of diabetes, sir, but he has not tested now. In the past, he
recently,
is not a
or
diabetic.
any organ transplantation.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
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 sir. Am I audible, sir? Hello,
hello.
sir. Am I audible, sir?
Hmm. Uh,
Hello.
there is breakup in your voice.
Yes, sir. Just.
Mm-hmm. Ah, சொல்லுப்பா.
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Now only. Hello,
Sir,
hello.
I think there are network issues. Sir. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Sir,
Ajay.
I think there are network issues, sir. Hello.
Ajay.
Hello.
Hmm.
Sir, am I audible, sir? Hello.
Sir, can you hear us?
Hello.
Sir?
Ajay?
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Restart. Oh, what are the other differences? Like one is tuberculosis, then your bronchogenic carcinoma.
Maybe
One more.
bronchiectasis, sir.
Yeah, bronchiectasis. Very good. Acute exacerbation of bronchiectasis.
Yes, sir.
Okay, pa. Go ahead. Then your general examination start.
Yes, sir. General examination. The patient is conscious, comfortable, and well oriented to time, place, and person. He is moderately built and moderately nourished. Pallor is observed in the lower palpebral conjunctiva, nails, and mucous membranes of the oral cavity. No icterus, cyanosis, clubbing, pedal edema, or generalized lymphadenopathy. No signs of Horner syndrome. No external markers of TB were observed, and no external markers of HIV were observed. Vitals. The pulse is 84 beats per minute, regular, normal volume, no radioradial or radiofemoral delay. Peripheral pulses were equally felt. The blood pressure was 120/80 in the right arm in sitting posture. The respiratory rate is 20 breaths per minute, thoracoabdominal type. Temperature is 98.6 Fahrenheit. JVP is not raised, and oxygen saturation is 97% in room temperature. Examination of the respiratory system. Inspection, upper respiratory tract. The nasal cavity and the nasal septum are normal. No nasal polyps are seen. No congestion or sinus tenderness. No movement of the ala nasi. Throat tonsils are normal. The oral cavity has no dental caries. Lower respiratory tract. The chest wall appears symmetrical, elliptical in shape, does not move equally with respiration. There is flattening of chest wall seen over the left infraclavicular area. No intercostal fullness or indrawing. No crowding of ribs. No scars, sinuses, shiny skin, dilated veins, or visible pulsations were noted. Trachea appears to be shifted to the left. The lower end of the left sternocleidomastoid is prominent. The trail sign is positive. Apical impulse seen in the left fifth intercostal space, medial to midclavicular line. No drooping of shoulders seen. No spinal deformities like kyphosis or scoliosis is seen. Inspiratory and expiratory phases of respiration are equal. Accessory muscles of respiration are not acting.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
Inspection. Inspection of the lower respiratory tract.
Yes, sir.
You show me the slide.
Yes, sir. Is it visible, sir? Lower respiratory tract. Is it visible, sir? Hello?
Jay, I can't see the slide.
Sir, I think others can see.
Lower
Yes,
chest
sir.
wall is symmetrical.
Yes, sir.
Apical shape does not move equally with respiration.
Yes, sir.
Flattening of chest wall seen over the left infraclavicular vein.
Yes, sir.
Dorsal fullness and dry, no crowding of chest, no span. Okay, trachea appears to be shifted to the left. Prominent. Okay, ba. Continue.
Yes, sir. Palpation. The inspection findings are confirmed by palpation. Trachea is deviated to the left. Apical impulse is seen in the left fifth intercostal
Continue,
space,
ba.
1.25 centimeters medial to midclavicular line.
Other?
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Sir, am I audible? Chest movements
Continue, ba. Other?
chest movements are decreased in the left infraclavicular region. Chest expansion is 3 centimeters. No intercostal tenderness. Tactile vocal fremitus increased over the left infraclavicular region, and no other palpable vibrations. Sir, am I audible?
Jay.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yeah. Others?
Hello?
Sir?
சொல்லுப்பா.
சார் கேக்குதா சார்?
கேக்குதுப்பா. இது சிக்னல் இஸ் வீக் ஆன் மை சைடா இல்ல உங்க சைடா எப்படிப்பா?
I think your side, sir, because others can all hear they have been saying.
ஓஹோ, ஓகேப்பா. அப்ப just a minute. 5 minutes you wait.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
கிளாஸ் எடுக்கிறேன். அதெல்லாம் அப்படியே 20 minutes. Ajay.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, pa. You start, pa.
Shall I continue, sir?
Yeah.
Palpation. The inspection findings are confirmed by palpation. Trachea is deviated to the left. Apical impulse is seen in the left fifth intercostal space, 1.25 centimeters medial to midclavicular line. The chest movements are decreased in the left infraclavicular region. Chest expansion is 3 centimeters. No intercostal tenderness. Tactile vocal fremitus increased over the left infraclavicular region, and no other palpable vibrations were present. On percussion, the superficial cardiac dullness was in normal position. The liver dullness was observed in the 5th, 7th, and 9th intercostal spaces in the midclavicular, midaxillary, and scapular lines, respectively. Chronic systemus is absent on the left side. On percussion, there was an impaired note felt in the left clavicle, supraclavicular, infraclavicular, and axillary regions, and all other lung regions. The percussion note was resonance. On auscultation, cavernous type of breath sounds heard over the left infraclavicular region in the midclavicular area. Diminished breath sounds with few fine inspiratory rails heard over the left infraclavicular and axillary areas. Over the rest of the lung, breath sounds were normal with no rails or rhonchi. Vocal resonance is increased in the area of bronchial breath sounds with bronchophony. Whispering pectoraloquy is absent, sir. It's a typo here.
Okay, pa.
Other system examinations. The cardiovascular system, S1, S2 is heard with no murmurs. Abdomen, soft, non-tender, no organomegaly, normal bowel sounds heard. Central nervous system, no focal neurological deficit. And the diagnosis is, this is a case of chronic infection of the lung parenchyma with left upper zone fibrosis and cavity, most probably due to tuberculosis.
Fibrosis and cavity.
Yes, sir.
Fibrocavitary lesion.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, pa. Fine. Fibrocavitary lesion of the left upper zone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the features favoring fibrosis in this patient?
The tracheal shift is seen, sir, towards the left side.
Okay, good.
And
if you have lower lobe fibrosis,
yes, sir.
What is your finding?
Mediastinal shift will be seen. Apical impulse will be shifted towards the left side, sir.
Very good. Super.
And
so when there is a fibrosis or collapse, either the trachea will be shifted or else the mediastinum shift will be there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And on inspection, the chest wall over the left infraclavicular area is flattened, sir. It does not move equally with respiration.
Inspiration, chest wall?
It does not move equally with respiration over the left infraclavicular area, sir.
There is some diminished movements in the left head.
Yes, sir. And tactile vocal fremitus is increased over the left infraclavicular region. And percussion notes on the clavicle, supraclavicular, infraclavicular, and axillary areas of the left side were impaired, sir. And diminished breath sounds heard over the left infraclavicular and axillary areas. And vocal resonance is increased in the area of bronchial breath sounds. That's also.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes.
சொல்லுப்பா ரிப்பீட் பண்ணு diminish.
On palpation, the tactile vocal phlebitis is increased over
It's
the left
increase.
infraclavicular.
VFVR is increase. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
On percussion, on the clavicle, supraclavicular area, infraclavicular area, and axillary area of the left side, impaired notice heard, sir.
Very good.
And diminished breath sounds were heard in the left infraclavicular and axillary areas. And vocal resonance is increased, sir.
Okay.
Yes, so that's all for fibrosis.
Fibrosis, one more is inspiratory crackles.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
More favorable of fibrosis
Yes, sir.
compared to consolidation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Cavernous type of bronchial breath sounds occurs in
Cavities with the irregular surfaces.
okay. Where you get amphoric?
Amphoric will be in smooth-walled cavities after TBS progress for some time, or maybe in hydatid cysts.
Tubular?
Tubular is heard in consolidation or consolidation type of pneumonia.
Okay. Very good, pa. Then, okay, it is a case of fibrosis compared to what is fibrothorax?
Diffuse fibrosis of the lung surface. I'm not sure, sir.
Cavity, consolidation, fibrosis are all involving the lung parenchyma.
Okay,
Fibrothorax means fibrosis of the
separations between pleural surfaces, sir.
in the pleural cavity.
Okay, sir.
Fibrosis involving the pleural cavity. Fibrothorax na fibrosis of the pleural cavity. Pneumothorax means air in the pleural
Pleural
cavity.
cavity. Yes, sir.
Pleural effusion, you know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You try to say there is no whispering pectorality in this patient.
Yes, sir.
Where will you get whispering pectorality?
Consolidation, sir.
Consolidation. What are the other findings favorable of consolidation?
Dull note will be heard.
Yes, sir.
Dull note. Okay. Egophony. What is egophony, ma?
When patient whispers, it's clearly heard through the stethoscope, sir.
The
Okay.
difference in sound qualities, a bleating type of sound will be heard when the patient says
E to A pa.
yes.
E will be heard as A. Adana.
That's
Okay. Then what do you know about hydropneumothorax?
in hydropneumothorax, there'll be presence of both air and liquid in the pleural cavities.
Okay.
So shifting dullness can be demonstrated.
Shifting dullness can be demonstrated. Then coin test.
Coin test is.
Then
Succession splash can be heard.
succession splash can be heard. Okay. What is post passive suction?
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
What is post POST? Post passive
Suction.
suction.
After the patient keeps on
Where
coughing,
will you get?
there'll be an increased suction kind of sound in the
It is
cavity
specific of.
releases, collapsible cavity releases.
Very good. Okay, then what is bronchiectasis sicca?
Bronchiectasis sicca, it's dry bronchiectasis, sir. There'll be no production of sputum.
Very good. Sir, tell me some about ATT, anti-tuberculosis drugs.
Yes, sir. So first line drugs, we have isoniazid, rifampicin, pyrazinamide, ethambutol. It is started for the patient in two phases, intensive phase and continuation phase. Intensive phase lasts for 2 months with HRZDA, that is isoniazid, rifampicin, ethambutol, and pyrazinamide. And then HRE in the continuation phase, isoniazid, rifampicin, and ethambutol.
Okay, pa. In this patient, what is your investigation and how will you proceed in this patient?
Yes, sir. First, CBC we have to take, sir. CBC, ESR,
Okay.
sputum examination, CB-NAT.
Okay, sputum analysis. You will do gram stain,
Acid first.
AFB,
Yes, sir.
then CB-NAT, gene export study.
Yes. Chest X-ray and HRCT.
Okay, fine. HRCT, you will get your the patient is having a cavity lesion in the left upper lobe.
Yes.
How will you proceed? What is the treatment?
We have to start with anti-tubercular therapy
If it is positive.
positive.
The first priority is patient is having hemoptysis.
Yes, sir.
So what will you do for this hemoptysis? Assume as this patient presenting with massive hemoptysis.
Okay, sir.
In this patient, a patient with massive hemoptysis, ATD is secondary.
Okay, sir.
What is the first treatment of choice in this patient?
Bronchoscopy and embolization.
Very good, ma. Bronchial artery embolization is the first choice.
Okay, sir.
Bronchoscopy you do only to find out whether there is associated large when there is associated bronchogenic carcinoma, or if the AFB CB-NAT comes negative, you can go for bronchoscopy after bronchial artery embolization to find out the lesion and to do bronchoalveolar lavage and further studies.
Yes, sir.
First is bronchial arterial embolization. Then, if it is a tuberculosis, you can go for ATT drugs.
Yes, sir.
If it is a aspergillus lesion,
Yes, sir.
what is your treatment? In a left upper lobe cavity lesion, seems to be a aspergillus infection.
Antifungals we have to start.
What is the treatment of choice? Which antifungal is there?
Voriconazole.
Voriconazole. Why not fluconazole? Very good. Voriconazole is the drug of choice. Fluconazole is resistant, aspergillus resistant drug.
Okay, sir.
What are the other features of Aspergillus infection in lung? One is Aspergilloma, fungal ball.
Yes, sir.
Other
Allergic bronchopulmonary.
Aspergillosis, ABPA. Then
Sputum culture will show hyphasia.
அதெல்லாம் இல்லப்பா. I am asking what are the various manifestations. One is Aspergilloma, fungal ball. Other one is ABPA.
ABP.
Then the most common in COVID-19, invasive aspergillosis was most common in post-COVID last year.
Okay, sir.
Only in this year, the two in second wave, mucormycosis is more common. Previously, it was invasive pulmonary aspergillosis.
Okay, sir.
Voriconazole is a drug of choice, either as injection or tablet form.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we discussed about bronchogenic carcinoma.
Yes, sir.
What type of bronchogenic carcinoma will lead to left upper lobe lesion? A single lobe. அதை பற்றி to study பா.
Okay,
What
sir.
are the various tumors? Adenocarcinoma, squamous cell. What
Yes.
are the அப்புறம் clear cell.
So Pancoast tumor, sir, is it?
Pancoast tumor, very good. Pancoast tumor can cause upper lobe lesion. In this patient, you said there is no
Horner
signs
syndrome.
of signs of clubbing, no features of Horner's.
Yes, sir.
அதனால I mean to say there is least possibility of bronchogenic carcinoma. Patient has no clubbing,
Yes.
has no loss of weight.
Patient has loss of weight, sir. Significant.
Patient has significant loss of weight.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Patient also has anemia.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Other differential diagnosis is bronchiectasis.
Yes, sir.
Okay, pa. Bronchiectasis, what is the treatment?
Mucolytics, bronchodilators, cough expectorants with
what is
antibiotics
the treatment?
Antibiotics for any.
Antibiotic of choice.
Yes.
In bronchiectasis. What is the preferred antibiotic in bronchiectasis? What is the most common organism involving bronchiectasis?
Pseudomonas, sir.
Pseudomonas is the most common lesion. Okay, so common organism involving bronchiectasis. Okay, what is the drug of choice in Pseudomonas?
Ceftazidime.
Ceftazidime. Very good. Do you know the prophylactic treatment in bronchiectasis?
No, sir.
Okay, pa. You read about that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, pa. Any doubts?
So what is VFER?
What is?
VFER.
VSER.
F, sir. F. VFER.
VFER.
Yes, sir.
எங்க பாருங்க இதுல
இது vocal fremitus, sir.
Vocal fremitus. While talking about vocal fremitus, they say VFER increased.
Oh, VFER.
Yes.
VF is vocal fremitus. VR is vocal resonance.
VR. Okay, sir.
VFVR.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, pa. Ajay.
Sir.
You please send me the attendance, pa.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.